These are difficult days in our state and country, and many families are struggling with challenges we've not seen in our lifetimes. As a consequence, some have wondered about my plans to hold back 10% of the stimulus and set it aside for a rainy day. I want to do this because spending it all leaves us with a big budget hole in 24 months, it leaves our kids with a big debt, and it relieves the pressure necessary to make reforms essential to South Carolina being more competitive. Some still insist the solution lies in more government spending and deeper debt. But the truth is, more tax dollars will be spent in our state this year than ever before, and only restructuring can help us to spend it in the places that matter most. In short, we're at a crossroads. We can try spending our way out of debt, or we can begin changing things long overdue for what I believe would create a better and stronger South Carolina.
Paid for by Carolinians for Reform.